Hi, this is Doug Jones with ELP Brief. Thanks for joining in today. This is a program where we answer your caregiver questions, and the question that's coming today is, can I refuse to care for elderly parent? So, you know, this sounds like it may be in a case of caregiver burnout, and we see this a lot where someone has been caring for an elderly parent and they just burn out. Sometimes it's a case of compassion fatigue. They just put their parents' desires, put their parents' needs above theirs for so long. They just sometimes neglect their own needs, neglect their own health, to the point where I can't do it anymore. I can't care for mom or dad anymore. I'm neglecting my health. Sometimes they're at risk of losing their job. We see that a lot where I had a lady tell me a few years ago, hey, I have, I've taken all of the personal time, sick leave, vacation days I possibly can, and I'm going to be fired if I take off anymore. I just can't do it anymore. So can I refuse to care for an elderly parent? In many cases you can, and sadly we see kids even across the street refusing to care for an elderly parent. And there a lot of times there's people are people. There may have been bad feelings between a parent and a child. There may even have been cases of abuse in years past between a parent and a child. And sometimes it's just never been a good situation, but sometimes it may be they're just tired of doing it. They have been doing it. The key is to just not leave them in a bad situation. If you've been providing the care for a parent, you can't just dump them and run without a good plan in place. And the key is always to talk to them if possible. If there's other siblings, to have a mom-centered family meeting we refer to in our office, where the main issue is coming up with a good going forward plan for mom or dad, and where do they need to be, what type of care can they afford non-medical caregivers coming in if they have to pay for this out of pocket, can they afford assisted living level of care if this is appropriate, are there enough family members locally to provide care? Maybe you're the local family caregiver that's been doing it. Well, do you have other siblings that can help? Maybe everyone's busy these days. Everybody's got a job and family and things to do. But can you parcel a task out? And this sibling does this task, this one does this task, this one does this task. Even if they're remote family members anymore, even if you live remotely, there's a lot that can be done, by over the internet and phone. There's a lot of tasks that can be done. It's just a matter of communicating with each other, communicating with your parent, and make sure you get the tasks done that need to be done. So hopefully it won't come down to I'm done, I'm not doing it anymore. If you're in that situation, please seek help. Talk to your mom or dad's physician. Sometimes they have social workers, and they say, hey, I need help, I'm close to the end of my rope, I can't do this anymore, I need help caring for mom or dad. What community options are out there? What do you suggest? My health is suffering, I need help doing this, and what would they suggest? If it's a dire situation, then you may need to contact the state Office of Adult Protective Service and just tell them that your parent needs help and you just can't do it anymore. But start with their physician. Maybe seek other professional assistance, physicians, ministers, priests. Talk to friends or family members. If your mom or dad has siblings their age, talk to them, talk to their friends. Reach out and get some help, because we see sometimes that the caregiver dies before the person they're caring for, and especially if you feel your health is at risk, get some help, do the best for you, and do the best you possibly can for your parent. Thanks for watching. Hope these tips help. Hope you're having a great week. We'll talk to you soon. So if you like this video, give us a thumbs up, and if you want to see more videos like this, click on the subscribe button to subscribe to this channel, and click on that little notification bell to be notified the next time we do a video.
And if you want to interact with us, check out the description below and leave us a comment and let us know what legal or caregiver topics you'd like to hear about.